Guys, I have a very big update for you. Drum roll. Yes, for me personally, I do not like keeping or gatekeeping information for myself. So if there is any move or anything that will benefit my fellow colleagues, I'll be right here to give you the gist. Now, do you know that if you use Telecel, you can get free data? Yes, absolutely free data. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you would be able to get some free data. Things are hard. The country is going through hard times, and data prices are also very, very expensive. And so I decided to make this video to show you how you can get free data on Telecel. My name is Apiamira. Let's get right into it. Alright, so before we get into the gist itself, be sure to subscribe and put us on post notification, because I'll be dropping more and more of these tips and tricks so that you can better yourself. And like this video, let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Let's get right into it. Let's go. So, do you know that on Telecel there are ways in which you can get free data? And Telecel itself as a company are not advertising about this because they do not want you to know. They are trying to gatekeep this information, but I am here to tell you. So the first thing you might want to do is to download the Telecel Play app. Yes, you heard me right. Head on to your Google Play Store or your Apple iStore. Is it Apple iStore or Apple Store? Whichever you call it, and download the Telecel Play app. It is absolutely free. And for first time people who are now downloading the app, you get 2.5 gigabyte free data. And that is not even the main thing this video is coming to show you. Now, if you open your Telecel Play app, let me open my Telecel Play app in a minute so that you see what I'm talking about. Now, if you open your Telecel Play app, there are some flyers in it. You have to scroll and then click on this red loyalty here. Now you can see you have red coins. Mine shows 424. You click on it and you can redeem data, airtime, and a whole lot more. Now for data, 400 coins gives me 100 megabytes, which is for free. I've always been redeeming. That is why I do not have much coins here. But then if you're somebody who is new and haven't redeemed your coins, you might have a lot, about 4,000, 5,000, which you can get more data for it. Not only data, you can also get call SMS from redeeming this point. And that is just number 2 of the 3 things I'm about to show you in this video. Now, the third one is the most important one I'm about to show you. Now, you open your Telecel Play app, then you scroll down till you find Game Center. Yes, there is actually a Game Center in your Telecel Play app. Now, where you'd want to tap is the turn up. Now, it will tell you are too far from the location. Now, this turn up is a feature where Telecel does a lot of giveaways and also give out free data when there is a turn up event. So Vodafone hosts these events, most especially in the university campuses, and during these events you can hop onto your Telecel Play app and claim free data. But currently where I am, it is too far from where there is a Telecel event. I don't even know where there is a turn up event, but I'm still going to show you. So once you click on it, it will tell you are too far, so move closer to the venue to join the fun. Now you come back and then click on turn up again. It is still going to show you are too far from the location. Just keep trying till there is a chance for you to actually redeem the data. Now on top of it, you'd see redeem data, redeem 1 gigabyte of data free. Just click on redeem and successfully you would have redeemed 1 gigabyte of Telecel data for completely free. Now I'll hop onto my laptop to show you proof of this data, because this phone right here has an MTN SIM. I do not have the Vodafone SIM in here. The Vodafone is in my router. So let's jump onto the computer to show you my data. Now, this is my MTN router dashboard, which funnily, is that a word even? Funnily has a Vodafone SIM inside. So that is why you're seeing an MTN dashboard. But then let's go to the SMS section. And when you're here, you can click on the messages and you can see that I have successfully redeemed 1 GB worth of data. So guys, this is the update I have for you. I've shown you 3 ways in which you can get free Telecel data. Now for the third method I showed you, I do not know how frequent you can do it. So this is something you would have to try and see if you can do it more than one time. If it is successful, comment and let us know in the comment section, and who knows, Ghanaians would also be able to benefit from it. Share this video to your friends and family who uses Telecel and let them also get the good news. I'll be here to give you the next gist if it happens. My name is Apia Mera and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.